Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Today we're in the office. Now you might have noticed on some of our videos we've got this awesome polished concrete floor on the entranceway done by the Polished Concrete Company. We liked it so much as we've almost got our kitchen installed. We've decided to continue on the polished concrete along down into the kitchen area. So I thought now would be a great opportunity to have a quick chat to the guys, see what they're doing, so you can understand the process that goes into making a fantastic polished concrete floor like this one. All right, let's go and grab them and see how they make the magic happen. All right, Daz, good to interrupt you while you're working. Let's go down outside here that we need to get the polished concrete looking so good.
Well, we start with the generator first.
Yep.
And then that gives us our power. Obviously we cart everything inside in the van and then follow with my ute.
Sweet.
So this is our big 52 kV generator.
Yeah.
Runs our power inside, so we'll go inside and I'll show you what they are.
That sounds awesome. Let's pop inside. So we've got the generator outside and all the gear. What are we running here?
This is our big vacuum for dust control. Then we've got our smaller vacuum for doing all the edges and stuff like that. You can see there's no dust inside, only what's on the ground.
Yeah, it's real impressive how much dust has been taken off and what's ground off, and there's no issues inside.
It all goes into those bags, so it's all, we don't touch the dust at all.
Awesome. I'll actually pop inside, see what Graham's doing.
We just filled up the holes in the floor, so now he's just doing the edges, micro filling.
Awesome. So we ground back all the concrete, filled up all the holes, doing the final touch, and then sealing it tomorrow?
Sealing tomorrow, but we do a bit of polishing, so we'll be running this big grinder here.
Awesome. So that'll grind it and polish it?
Grind and polish at the same time, all in one go.
Awesome. All right, cheers for all the work, Daz.
Thank you.
Phenomenal what you guys do. It. See how good it looks in our shed. If you want it in your shed, hit us up. We'll organise these guys. They're awesome, and we'll make it happen.